Welcome back to Custom Fine Metalwork and Engraving. Today I'm using the acetone transfer method to create a transfer plate. My customer wants to recreate his grandfather's monogram pocket watch for his two sons. I didn't have access to the original pocket watch, so I had to recreate the monogram from a photo, digitally tracing the original monogram and then printing it at the right size. While you've heard me talk in greater depth about the acetone transfer method in other videos, you have just seen me do it here to get this design on a new pattern plate. I'm now going through and cutting each line as finely and as cleanly as I can. When the plate is done, I'll be able to use a transfer wax and some transparent tape to lift this design and place it exactly where I want it on the new pocket watches. Each line is cut and then back cut to make sure the line doesn't taper and ends appropriately. The cleaner job I do now, the cleaner my transfer will be later. And I find that's very important, especially for these visually confusing monograms. There's a lot of temptation to rush this early step, but slow is smooth and smooth is fast. I need these two monograms to be as identical as possible, and this step will help ensure it. The incised line is very, very faint. I'm just scratching the surface. You can see how small the chips are. There's a happy medium here with depth of cut. I don't want the line to be so faint that it won't hold the transfer wax, but I don't want it to be so deep that the transfer is blurry. Here you can also see me back cutting. That way I know exactly where that line ends. And then finally, cleaning the plate, and the design is ready for transfer to a pocket watch. Can you tell what the monogram reads?